In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to move rows and columns in spreadsheets. So we're going to start with the columns. Moving a column and a row as well is very simple in Google Spreadsheets. All you have to do is bring your cursor, so you're going to start with the columns, you bring your cursor up to where you see the letter of the column. So let's say I want to move column E and I want to put it before column C. So I just have to click on column E, on the letter E. You see that this hand appears rather than the cursor, and once I have the hand, it means that I can grab that column. So I'm just gonna click, and you can see that the hand is kind of closed, and I'm gonna drag it until I see this stronger gray bar, and this is telling me where the column is going to land. I just let it go, and my column is now column C. Now let's undo this, and I want to show you one more thing. Okay, it's back to column E. You see here column E has the total price, and you can see that the total price is a formula. It's basically C plus D. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna move it back, so I'm just gonna click on E, hold it so my hand is closed, move it back, and I'm gonna make it now column C, drop it, and you can see that the formula has updated. So the result is still the same. I have not lost my calculation because the formula has automatically updated. So this is also a very cool feature from Google Sheets. You can do exactly the same thing with the rows. All you have to do is select the row that you want to move. So say I want to move row 7. I'm just gonna click on it and drag it, and you can see again by this darker gray bar where it's going to land. You could also do the same with multiple columns or multiple rows. So I can select, for example, say I want to move rows 2 to 5. So I can just select them all and then just drag them all